All right, YouTube. So this video we're making after some time. I've been busy. I'm sure you've been busy too. And many of you have been very busy on my channel commenting. So what the heck is that? I mean, look at that. That looks insane. It's got an insane grip. It's got this telephoto lens. What? Telephoto lens? On a phone? What? Look at this thing. It looks insane. So you can actually shoot like you normally shoot, and if you are a mirrorless camera type of person, this will be right at home, but with a beautiful screen, which actually looks something like this when you turn the camera on, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. So something like that you can see happening through there. Pretty neat. And this is a product that comes from a company out of San Francisco or somewhere in California. I think they're somewhere down there. So you can look them up. That's not what this video is about on where they're located, but what is the name of this company that's making this kind of crazy stuff? And let's talk about this product because it's pretty incredible. So I am talking about Sandmarc is the name of the company. And this particular product, we're talking about two. One is the 10x optical zoom telephoto lens. Lied. It's not a zoom. It's fixed lens. Right? So it's not zoom in and out. It's 10x, and that's what you get. This gadget here is one that they also sent where it pairs with this iPhone case. And once you have the iPhone case, it allows you to screw on this lens to it, and then you can actually use this hand grip to do your thing. So you could shoot it this way or this way. So if you really wanted to shoot birds way up, up top with your phone, you can actually do it. Check it out. It's pretty wild how it looks. Look at that. It looks cool, right? This is rock solid metal, and so is this. It's not plastic. It's actually really high quality. So what do you really get? This lens is, I don't know, a couple $100 maybe. And again, the reason why I do this is because it's not so much about what it costs. Let's just talk about what it can do. It can take your 24mm lens that's in your iPhone 16 if you have that, and you can, sort of figure this out yourself. If you do it at 10x, it's a 240mm. If you were to stick it onto the other lens, I think that's the telephoto lens. The 24 is on the medium, and then the wide one is a 13 or something, or 6 or 10 millimeters. Crazy on the iPhone. You cannot screw it into the really wide one from what I understand. But this particular case, this phone case that they give you with this lens actually will allow you to screw onto the wide one and the one right next to it in the middle here. And I believe you can get like insane. If you were to put a 10x onto the telephoto one, it's like, I don't know, 1200mm or some crap like that. You're gonna have a hard time, holding it steady. So what you do is you have one of these grips, which actually allow you to take pictures like an actual camera right here. It's Bluetooth, and it will take your pictures for you. In addition to that, it actually starts and stops a video from on my phone. It does. And then what you can actually do with this is you can focus using this guy, and the focus ring is actually tight, but it's very smooth. It is manual focus. This lens, like I told you before, is solid metal. And by the way, my apologies. This video should have come out a few weeks ago. I had a death in the family. It was hard for a lot of us to be able to do anything. That's why it's delayed a little bit. But nonetheless, I will leave links to both of these Sandmarc products down below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and actually get it. Use the links, and obviously, just like any other channel, it helps the channel. So check it out. If you have a preferred place where you want to go, where the links don't take you, fine, go by there. I don't really care. That's perfectly okay. How good is the optical quality? Pretty good. Now, is it as good as putting an actual big lens onto a big size camera and things like that? No. But what you can shoot with this, especially on the 24mm lens that's on here, which I'll put it back on now, it's pretty good because you can get incredible range out of it. It's easy to focus, and you could actually put it, if you're doing video, you could put it into the active mode on the video, and it'll try to stabilize it. But I would recommend using the 1/4 down here, sticking it onto either a monopod or whatever, so you get really stable, and then just go ahead and focus. You'll get incredible results. If you're using it with a monopod, you can get some amazing, amazing output from it. And obviously, as you know, it's very easy to focus on like an iPhone, for example, just because of how big the screen is, right? And you can see like how it zooms into things. I mean, that's that little thing back there. And I'll just focus on there for you. You can see. I'm trying to do it while looking into the camera. So you can see how it's actually focusing through it. But you could do that, no problem. And it will actually get you there. There you go. I think I'm getting close. Pretty amazing. And if I had it linked up, let me go and turn this on. Okay, it is connecting on Bluetooth. And do we have a connection? We probably do. Let me see if I can take a picture. Oh, I don't have it paired. I need to pair it with the Bluetooth. So I'm going to come in here to the Bluetooth settings. Let's just pair it together. Let me go ahead and put it into the pairing mode. Here it is, and it actually comes up Sandmarc right onto it. Click it, will connect in a second. And once it should go pairing unsuccessful because I have something else connected. Okay, pairing request. It's got Sandmarc and it's actually connected. Okay, so we have it connected to the phone. And so I should be able to take a picture, which I just did. Okay, so if I go here, and just show you like some object back here. I try and get something in focus maybe. Let's say it's this guy or something. That's what I'm going to try. I'm trying to do this so you can actually see it. And then all I have to do is hit this button right here. It actually just took a picture and it should sit Bluetooth. Now, obviously, if I was in front of it, I was doing my thing, I could very easily control what I'm doing. I mean, like, I'll give you an example. If I go and shoot something like this guy here, or something like all the way across the room, something to that effect right there. And I just shot this across the room. You can see it. So it's pretty good. I mean, on the quality that it is, right? How much you can do. So why am I making this product? Why am I making this review? I'm making this review because Sandmarc reached out, number one. Number two, I had always been looking for where if I don't have to carry a big camera once in a while, I feel like carrying something small like this, stick it onto my phone, use it, stick it in the pocket, and then, go about my business doing whatever I want with my phone. The advantage of this guy is you can actually flip it both ways. So you could actually shoot it this way too and keep on shooting pictures all day long this way. It's pretty good. Not bad. It's very comfortable to hold. Right now, it works with the iPhones. I have not tried it with the Android. So if it works with the Android, leave a comment below. If it does, great. If not, okay. Either way, it's good. The products are good. They're extremely well made. They're all solid metal, no plastic business going on here. And the best part is you get a great deal. They're not very expensive, so they're not going to break your bank. And if you really can't, afford some of the really, really big lenses that you've seen in my videos in the past, which are $4,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever they cost, and you want to just have some fun with this, could you shoot birds with it? You could. Just takes a little bit of work, a little bit of practice. And patience, a lot of patience, just because of how long it is on a cell phone trying to do that. Get a monopod, get a tripod, and you'll get much better results. But it can be done, especially with tools like this. One last thing I'll leave you with, the 10x telephoto lens, this lens that it comes in this pouch. It's actually optically, it's an optical lens. So there's nothing digital going on here screwing with it. It's an optical piece of glass. It is kind of heavy. It's not light, right? But when you pair it with this grip, it's fantastic and it feels just very natural. So you could do this. You could continue to shoot for a long period of time and get some incredible shots that you normally couldn't get. So instead of buying like a separate scope for your iPhone, I think this is great because it actually comes with a case too. So you get, 2-in-1. They give you their case that allows you to screw this lens directly onto it. So with that, leave your comments below. This is a non-technical review. If you really want me to make a video where we take some of these pictures shot with this thing into like a Lightroom or something like that and look at it, we can do that. But you're going to have to give me some time for that. I have a lot of things going on right now. But I wanted to get this out because I did let Sandmarc know I would do it. Here it is. And truly a very big thank you to them for sending both of these products. I didn't pay for them. I have to let you know that. And they're not expecting me to do, say certain things. They're very easy to work with. They want me to say what I think it's really cool. I've been playing with this quite a bit now, and I really like it just because of its size. I took this to a little event at my mom and dad's house, that like 10, 15 people, and I was shooting pictures with this all day long on my phone, and it was very comfortable rather than trying to hold the phone and doing all of this stuff. I can just do it right here. Just keep clicking away. Bluetooth is just beautiful. So with that, like, subscribe, be nice to each other, go out there, create your magic, and I will talk to you in the next one. Thank you.